wanna suicide before getting infected by coronavirus, and in the weirdest way possible, the following cars aren't for you, because they are the safest cars for 2020. Man, what a start. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, the IIHS, has declared the so-called Top Safety Picks and Top Safety Picks Plus for 2020 in every segment of cars. In this video though, we're gonna focus on the plus ones only, since we appreciate your valuable time, although you might be locked in your houses at the moment. Anyways, the Institute performed crash tests for all cars from multiple angles and ranked them from G to P like so. Other variables include some headlight standards, crash prevention systems, and other safety features. Now, enough of that nonsense, and watch this. In the small car segment, the Honda Insight dominated the competition by managing to achieve all tests with the highest rankings. The Japanese car comes with extra safety systems, which are standard, including daytime running lights, lane departure warning, and prevention. Mazda 3 and Subaru Crosstrek are the two other cars which got the Top Safety Picks Plus award in this segment. Other than the acceptable rated headlights in the base trim, the Subaru Legacy scores G in all variables, giving it the win against 4 other vehicles, which I will not name because I'm feeling lazy today. So click on the banner in the top right corner to see the full list. The car gets a handful of standard safety systems. However, blind spot monitoring is optional. You see, it's not fair to talk about safety without mentioning the Germans. Although Mercedes C-Class has tested positive, that sounds familiar, has tested positive in all the main crash assessments, the Germans decided to make even the most basic features optional, let alone the extra systems, driving buyers to thrive for the higher trims. Classic German strategy. The car's standard pedestrian crash prevention system scored a shameful basic rating, and because money is always the deciding factor, at least for me, I chose the Tesla Model 3 as the winner in this segment, regardless of its lower ratings in some tests. Now, cast your vote on whether money is more important than safety when buying a car in the banner which will appear now. What's surprising here is that, out of all 4 cars in this category, Genesis has scored a hat-trick. What's more surprising though is that Genesis G90 offers all safety features as standard. However, it has scored an advanced rating for the pedestrian crash prevention. On the other hand, Audi A6 got an almost full rating while having some optional systems. At least better than Mercedes. Keep that secret. Therefore, it's your turn to declare a winner. As for the trendy small SUVs nowadays, both Mazda's CX-5 and CX-3 look bad when compared to the Subaru Forester. Even though they have made it to the Top Safety Picks Plus, the vehicle received a perfect rating despite acceptable base headlights and optional BSD. The winner of the midsize SUV segment is the one and only Mazda CX-9. You may say I am biased towards Mazda, but it deserves this recognition because it is the only plus pick in the segment. The biggest segment in this list is the midsize luxury category, recording 5 cars, all from different makes. The Lexus NX takes the cake in my opinion, since it scores good results and has many standard features, while the runner-up for this segment is Mercedes GLE, and man, Don't get me started again. If you want to take a look in the full list, I have included a link in the description for that. Your support is vital for this channel to grow and expand. Leave a like, subscribe, and share this video to everyone. If you've got any suggestions to improve the channel, feel free to mention them down. Until next time, thanks for watching.